It's going to be a reclaimed land off East Coast to add 800 hectares of land, create Singapore's 80th reservoir. So for Singaporeans, we are very used to going to the beach, run, walk, cycle and all that. The government did a really fantastic job. And then we go down to this part here. This part here is where the reclamation will take place. This entire stretch, this one that I'm marking out in red, all right? Now, why I got excited about this project, because I grew up in this area here called the East Coast. And all these parts here where my arrow is pointing used to be reclaimed land as well. Majority of Singapore is on reclaimed land. All these parts here that I'm pointing in my red arrow used to be reclaimed land. The government has a very good vision, and houses were built there, and these are prime properties facing the sea, right? So imagine if they decided to destroy the sea view, all the property owners here will go crazy. They will vote out the government, okay, because it's $1 million of property portfolio. So they can't do that. So what did they do? They say that we will create a very large reservoir here. You still enjoy the water view. And then they reclaim additional land at 1, 2, and 3 here to build the next generation of water-facing residential projects. That will be super prime in the world, all right? So that is the part. It's going to happen within the next 10 years, and all the details will mark out in the timeline here. And our government is very, very strict. Whatever dates they put up here will definitely come true, all right? Now, I want to encourage you to think about in property investing and visit this government website called URA, Urban Renewal Authority. They are the one that designed the master planning for the country over the next 50 to 100 years. And you get a glimpse of the picture, how the place will look like. And of course, original idea was, the seawater is rising and it may flood the East Coast area. So back then, they came out a few ideas like building a wall, and that will kill the property prices there. Say, no, that's not a good idea. Instead, we're going to reclaim more land, and that's how this whole project came about, all right? So I'm going to play you a quick video of it, and here we go.
Singapore's future Long Island, 800 hectares of land to be reclaimed off East Coast Park, will be around twice the size of Marina Bay and triple the length of East Coast Park's waterfront. But most crucially, it will protect the low-lying East Coast area against the threat of rising sea levels and inland flooding. Much of the area sits lower than 5 meters above the mean sea level. So the plan is for 3 tracts of land to be reclaimed at a higher level. The easternmost land tract will start from Tanah Merah, and the westernmost tract will be an extension of Marina East with another tract between the two. A tidal gate and pumping station will be built in between the new land masses. This will control the water level in a new reservoir, and in the process, reduce flood risk in the East Coast area. Not only will the reservoir increase Singapore's water supply, it can be used for water activities such as dragon boating and canoeing. The Long Island will help meet future development and recreation needs as well, with waterfront homes, amenities, and industrial facilities expected to be built. Starting early 2024, technical studies for the decades-long project will be done over 5 years. And after that, the authorities will seek public consultation on the Long Island's design and master planning. You can read more about these plans at straitstimes.com.
All right, that's a quick preview for that. Hi, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this. We always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us. really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.